Okay. Start marshals lining them up. They are aligned.
Cardiff, Swansea, attention! Go!
Yep.
That's right, that's what I did with the other one.
Okay, clean start from both. Swansea rating a lot higher, a lot quicker. Both crews are level after the first 100.
Whoa.
Move fast. Cardiff, move over. Is that Swansea or Cardiff?
Whoa.
Come on, move up, move up, move up. Oh, okay. There we go.
It's a nice coxing, well done both.
Okay, Swansea have a 1 foot lead coming up to the S-bend. Wind has really picked up. Cardiff putting in a push. They are level. They are level. Yeah, this is where they're going to start going. Come on, Swansea. Yeah, they're looking over. Cardiff have a 1 foot lead coming into the S-bend. Swansea are dying off.
Cardiff, stay on your station!
Come on, Swansea.
They can stay in contact here.
Exactly. They've got the whole rest. Cardiff putting in a big push after being warned. They have eked out to a length, but the bend is in their favour. Cardiff stay wide here, they might be right. Swansea still have overlap. And now they're coming into the bend in their favour.
Cardiff, stay on your station!
Cardiff being warned again. Cardiff being warned again to go to their side. Come on, Swansea.
It's up to them to decide where their station is then.
Come on, Swansea. Come on. Swansea still have overlap. Bend is now in their favour. Starts now. Come on, Swansea. Turn, 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 turn. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Mullins, push yourself. Call a push now. See, they're on. They see the Cardiff Cox has just called it.
Yeah.
Cardiff Cox has called a massive push. Swansea just not making use of their bend. It's all in the Cox, isn't it?
Washing them down.
Doesn't matter
No,
though.
but actually they're on their station at the moment anyway, so it's fine.
Cardiff have half a length of clear water. You can see though, she called for that push, they just spanked it, and that was it.
Actually, as the headwind came on, that's
Yeah.
exactly what they needed to do.
Funny enough, I told him to.
Did you?
So around it, just get them a push and get them all pulled together. Okay, coming up to the bridges, Cardiff are maintaining just over half a length of clear water. Swansea are still fighting back. You still there? Hello. So, Cardiff are just inching out a little bit now. Swansea's starting to fade. Cardiff have gone up to a length of clear water. Swansea stuck it all in as best they could, but they're starting to fade a little bit now. They're just dying off.
Yeah.
That was the coxswain through the middle. I like watching it. It's very interesting when you see it.
It's good, isn't it?
Okay, we're coming under the first bridge. We'll be with you in 30 seconds. I'm signing off. Reese. You're my Reese. You're my boy.
It's Reese.
There's Tim Barnett, the Gloucester guy. He always used to say, "You're my boy, Reese. Come on, Swansea."
The finishes are not long enough. They're not holding on. They've got the power in the core and the shoulders to be able to hold the finishes at the end.
That's where experience comes in, isn't it?
It is.
You
Especially in the
body's
wind.
used to it. You don't fail. You don't lose those extra few percent here and there.
Come on, don't overtake them. That's really not a nice feeling.
Come on, Swansea.
Go Swansea!
Go Swansea! You know it's over when the umpire starts cheering for you.
It's a good race though. Actually, those Cardiff girls were a bit worried at the start of the race.
Yeah. They've just got the experience.
Yeah.
Come on, Swansea. Interesting to see what the time is. Winning time.
Yeah, well, it's going to be about 10 seconds slower than or faster than it should be. Yeah. 6:13.78.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Time.
6:32.
Not
Bad. So
17
it's 20 seconds. Well.